75 pesos. But it's okay. We will discover new things. So this Intramuros, this is very historical during World War II, if I'm not mistaken. So comment down below. Comment down below if you have any more ideas regarding this. So it's hard to speak English, but I need to speak it because since we have new friends here, so that we can understand what I'm talking about right now. Speaking the Lord. So it's interesting. So comment down below if you have more ideas regarding this area. So shout out, I would like to shout out to all my relatives out there in Olotanga, Zamboanga, Bugay Province. My grandma, Lola Norma, Monmon. I would like to shout out also my companion right now, Mion. Okay. Si Uncle Dodong and Malaysia. Okay, si Uncle Dodoy. Si Auntie Inday, si Auntie Janet. Okay. Okay, here we go. There is also what I call this tourist guide here. So I'm the failure tourist guide. Check